How to create a QR code for Shopify. So go open up your browser and go to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're here, click on the search tab on the top part of the page and then type in shop code. Select the search for shop code in the Shopify App Store. Now in this page, select this shop code with this icon. Click on add app, and after that, this page will load, and from here, click on create shop code. In this pop-up window, select your desired product, click on add option, and now you'll have more settings that you can adjust to your liking. You can change where the code will be directed, either it's linked to the product page or checkout page with the product in the cart. This is all up to you, and once you're done, click on create shop code, and now your QR code is now generated. Just download this one and you can now use it. So that is how to create a QR code for Shopify. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.